Today in this video, we discuss how to manage and build your finance. So let's start the video. In 2023, CNBC reported that over 60% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, even among those earning six figures. That's not just a statistic. It's a red flag. It tells us that income alone doesn't guarantee financial stability. The real game changer? How you manage your money and what you do to grow it. Let's break down simple, powerful strategies to take control of your finances and start building real, lasting wealth, no matter where you're starting. Number one, start with a clear budget, but make it realistic. You've heard budgeting 1,000 times, but here's the key. Most people create budgets based on what they wish they'd spend, not what they actually spend. Instead, track your expenses for one full month using tools like Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, or even your bank spending tracker. Once you see where your money actually goes, subscriptions, takeout, Amazon, you can build a budget that reflects your real life, not an idealized version of it. Pro tip, follow the 50/30/20 rule. 50% to needs, 30% to wants, 20% to savings or debt repayment. This works especially well for U.S. households earning between $50,000 to $100,000 per year. Number two, set up automatic savings and forget about it. You don't need motivation to save, you need automation. Set up a direct deposit where a percentage of your paycheck goes straight into a high-yield savings account, like those from Ally, SoFi, or Capital 1360. Many of these offer 4% APY or higher. Even if it's just $50 a paycheck, it adds up, and because you don't see it, you won't spend it. This is your emergency fund, your safety net. Aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. That's your first financial milestone. Number three, kill high-interest debt first, especially credit cards. According to the Federal Reserve, the average credit card APR in the U.S. is now over 20%. That's financial quicksand. Focus on paying down high-interest debt aggressively. Use either the avalanche method, pay off highest interest debt first. The snowball method, pay off the smallest balance first to build momentum. Whichever you choose, just stick to it consistently. You can't build wealth while paying 20% interest to someone else. Number four, invest early, even if it's small. You don't need thousands to start investing. Apps like Fidelity, Vanguard, or Robinhood let you begin with as little as $1. If your job offers a 401k, contribute enough to get the full employer match. That's free money. Outside of work, consider a Roth IRA, especially if you're under the income cap. Your money grows tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are tax-free too. Compound interest is the key. $100 per month invested at 8% returns grows to over $150,000 in 30 years. Time matters more than the amount. Number five, live below your means, even when you get a raise. One of the fastest ways people lose financial traction? Lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, and suddenly, nicer car, more takeout, new clothes. But if every dollar increase is matched by spending, your financial position stays the same. Instead, when your income increases, save or invest at least 50% of that raise. Example, you get a $5,000 annual raise. Commit $2,500 of it to savings or investing. Spend the other $2,500 guilt-free. That's balance with long-term gain. Number six, track your net worth quarterly. Your net worth is your financial report card, assets minus debts. Tracking it helps you stay motivated, spot bad spending patterns, and see real progress. Use tools like Empower or a simple spreadsheet. Update it every 3 months. Watching your net worth grow, even slowly, gives you confidence and control. And if it drops, that's your cue to make adjustments early, not when it's too late. Number seven, build multiple income streams over time. Relying on one income source, even a good one, can be risky. That's why the average millionaire in the U.S. has 7 income streams. Start small. Freelance a skill online. Sell a digital product. Invest in dividend stocks or REITs. Monetize a hobby or side hustle. You don't have to do it all at once. But even an extra $200 per month can become a buffer or a building block. Number 8. Avoid lifestyle comparison traps. Social media can wreck your finances. You're seeing the highlight reel of someone else's life. Vacations, new cars, designer bags, not their debt, stress, or credit card bills. Focus on your goals, your budget, your timeline. Financial peace doesn't come from keeping up. It comes from staying focused, consistent, and intentional. Managing and building your finances isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Small decisions made daily, like budgeting honestly, automating savings, investing early, and tracking your progress, compound into freedom, choice, and peace of mind. Your future self will thank you for the habits you start today.